Let's now see how to connect your Google Ads account with Omniconvert Reveal. Go to Store Settings, Integrations, Google Ads Settings, and simply click on Sign in with Google. Choose your Google account. Great. So this is the page where you need to allow Omniconvert Reveal to access your Google account. Just read through and allow. And Google Ads account is successfully connected. Now you need to select your Google Ads accessible account for Google Ads and just make your selection from the drop-down and save. And you've got this lovely message on the green bar letting you know that the Google Ads account is now connected.